welcome to my channel. Today is Saturday, the 7th of January, and today guys, we just got home from picking up my new phone. So today is our unboxing day of my new phone. It's the gift from Johnny, guys. Christmas/birthday gift. Yes, so I'm excited, but before we open the iPhone, I will just make a haul of what I shopped today. First, my perfume, because it's running out. This is my perfume, guys. Calvin Klein. I like this one. And I bought some black jeans, 2 black jeans in Target for my new job. Yes, guys, I have a new job. It's a secret from now. It's a secret where I work. So I have 2 black jeans and black shoes. Yeah, and black shoes from Target. We got
$11 off.
Yeah, we're surprised, guys, when we went to the checkout there on special. So it's a win-win. And then after we pick up the phone, I went to GB Hi-Fi. I bought a glass protector for the new phone and casing. And here it is, guys, the new phone, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Oh, thank you, darling. See that, guys? The color I chose is the deep purple. Yeah, deep purple, guys. See, that's it. Yeah, and iPhone. Can see? Can you see? John is waiting. Waiting to be open. Do you see, guys? See, that's, yeah. Let's open it. This thingy bob here.
I've got a new song to sing.
What to say?
About me giving you the phone.
Oh, Johnny wanna sing. Johnny wanna sing.
Look, my pockets. I'm a poor old man who's lost his way. Ba, ba, ba.
Don't mind Johnny, guys. Johnny is
No money.
no money. Run out of money because of the phone. See, guys? Come closer here, guys. It's so far away. Yeah.
The purple people eater.
Purple, yes. Let's open it. They have this thingy about this green thing. Yep.
Sealed.
Yeah. And let's open. Open, sesame. Oh, there it is, guys.
Wow.
Charlie.
Where's the purple bit? Yonder.
It's purple, dark.
Dark purple.
Yeah, it's dark. Oh,
Yeah, I sort of see purple in there.
they're so nice. Look at that camera.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah. Compared to my old one, guys. This is a big upgrade because my old one is 4 years old.
Yeah.
iPhone 10X Max. See? Oh my goodness. Oh, scary. Oh, it's white. I will not get this for guys. I will
White.
put the screen
Let me see the
protector.
purple. Sorry.
See? So, guys, Johnny wanna see it.
The purple bit. I'm sure it doesn't.
It's just a cable. So guys, John is finished checking the phone. Yeah.
And that will do the remote. For you can listen to it with the things in your ears.
Yeah.
Remote one.
Yeah.
No,
Bluetooth
wireless.
one.
Yeah.
So what's in the box, guys? Only cable, charging cable, and it's not the normal USB. It's they call it Type C thing.
Is it different to what we've got?
Yeah, it's different. The one that you need an adapter, another different adapter for that. Another expenses. But it worked in our old charger anyway. So, and this is the other inside of the box.
So you've got to buy another adapter for this?
Yeah, if you use that, but the same charger for the other one.
Oh, we'll work with this one.
Yeah, so this is the...
Okay.
Oh, we have this SIM card, what do you call this thing? Thingy bob?
What?
The manual, guys. The manual, Apple manual.
Oh, is that the thing to put the SIM card to make it pop out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Apple sticker. Only one Apple this time, guys. My first two iPhone, they have two Apple sticker, and I still have it.
An apple for the husband and an apple for the wife.
And now it's only one, and they don't have adapter, no headphones, and it's getting expensive, and it's getting less in the box. Next time it will be only phone.
That's life.
That's life.
You pay more and you get less.
So this is my 9th sticker, Apple sticker, because I have two from the first iPhone, and the second iPhone I have two, and the iPod two, and the laptop I have two. So I have 9 apples now. I don't use them, guys. I'm selling them.
Is there an apple for the teacher?
So yeah. So guys, ding! Look at that. So my upgrade is storage and the camera. See, big upgrade. This is my old one, guys.
See, what was that?
19.
How many gigabytes was the old one?
It's 256.
And this is 512.
Yeah. See?
Twice.
My new old iPhone and my new one, 14 Pro Max. My goodness, scary. So let's do put the screen protector, guys. Let's do that.
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kind of nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know it feels like love. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you read my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll...
So I'm done putting up the glass protector, guys. Now I'll put the casing. So let's open my casing. It's just a clear casing with MagSafe compatible. Yeah, clear cold water. Yeah. So I will just clean the casing and the phone, guys.
Be strong. I don't know for sure. All I know, this feels like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain.
My casing na. Yan, guys. So I'll just let's turn it on. Hello, is it me you're looking for? See, guys. Hello. Yan.
I don't know for sure. All I know,
and sit natin sa English. So mag-sit up muna po, guys.
I'll hold it gently in my heart until it's taking over my body and soul. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kind of nervous.
2 hours later.
Hi guys, I'm back and happy.
In the dark.
No, it's not dark in my video. It's not dark, it's very bright.
Okay.
So guys, my iPhone, it's done transfer all the data and apps. So this is ready. Oh, it's not so ready because the SIM card is not in there yet. Because my other phone is charging, so I will finish that one before I transfer the SIM card. And the old one, guys, Johnny will have it!
Hooray!
Hooray! Johnny's new phone!
It's got over 3,000 photos on it.
No, that one have 3,000.
Oh.
Show me. Show me. Johnny have the iPhone 7 Plus. 7 Plus, guys. This was my first iPhone. So when Johnny gave me the iPhone 10s Max for my birthday and Christmas gift last 2018, so I gave this to him, and he bought me another iPhone, so Johnny will have my old one, the iPhone 10. So this one is my backup because I have lots of picture here, 3,000 pictures. And Johnny's not happy, guys, because he cannot find his picture in there.
Well, it takes me a while.
Yes, so this
So
is...
we're going to transfer the ones that I want onto that phone.
So yeah, my iPhone 10, I need to reset the phone so that it will be new, and Johnny will transfer the data in this to that iPhone 10, and this one is just...
You'll keep all those
I'll keep all the pictures in here. So everybody's happy!
Hooray!
Yes!
It's a win-win!
Thank you, Johnny boy! I have new iPhone! There guys, it's purple, but it looks like black. It's deep purple.
There's a hint of purple there, but it's...
Yeah.
You got to watch, in certain lights you can see it.
Yeah. So that's it, our unboxing, guys. New phone, new job, new husband.
I'm now a poor husband who lost his way.
John is poor now. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.